Alison, and I'm an assistant head teacher here at Madeley Academy. I've worked here for 16 years, and one of my roles is to look after our Btec Level 3 Applied Science course. Now, I work within a very large department. There's around 16 science staff, all of different specialisms. We work within 5 labs and also 5 teaching rooms. The labs contain everything your heart could desire in order to complete your science practical skills. We also have 2 full-time lab technicians, which are completely fluent in all 3 sciences. I'm going to take you through, firstly, the courses we offer here at sixth form. So we do the traditional A-level courses along with the Btec Level 3 course. In total, we have around 100 students studying science. It's one of the most popular courses here in Madeley Academy. So A-level biology, if you're thinking of a career in medicine, veterinary skills, biology, physiology, zoology, or you generally just love biology, then biology A-level could be the course for you. Now, we require an entry grade of a grade 6 in combined science or single science to complete the course. When doing A-level biology, you'll complete 2 3-hour sessions, and there'll be a mixture of both theory and practical. At the end of the course, not only will you come out with an A-level in biology, but you'll also come out with a practical endorsement certificate, which many universities do require. In the first year, you'll study topics such as cellular structure. You'll look at circulatory systems, the respiratory systems, as well as protein structures. We do an AS in biology at the end of year 1. However, if you continue into year 2, that grade is non-void and the final grade is taken in A2. In the second year, you will look in detail at respiration, photosynthesis, the endocrine and exocrine systems, as well as ecology in great detail, looking at natural selection and evolution. Our biology course is extremely popular. At the moment, we have 25 students completing in the first year, and we have 20 of them continuing into the second year in year 13. We have medical students each year going off to red brick universities. We've just had students going on to veterinary science in universities such as Nottingham, some of the most prestigious universities. And we also have those that then deviate and go along with other subjects like psychology and go on to do psychology at university, or also biomedical sciences as a route into medicine. Courses that go along well with biology are things like psychology and also chemistry if you are hoping to go into medicine. While talking about chemistry, chemistry is also a very popular course here. We have around 25 students completing it in 6-1 at the moment. Chemistry is the same as AS biology in that you will have an exam after the first year. Again, that exam grade will be non-void if you complete into A2. Chemistry year 1, you'll be looking at the foundations of chemistry, and you'll be looking a lot at the practical elements. That means a lot of your time will be in labs looking at practical skills, going through key procedures and follow standard procedures. In year 2 is when you start to look in detail at the periodic table, as well as organic chemistry. If you're looking at careers in medicine, then chemistry is vital. But also people go on from chemistry to look at biomedical sciences, engineering, pharmacy, and chemical engineering. Physics is also another A-level option here at Madeley Academy, and we have 15 students completely taking it in 6-1. In order to do physics, you'll need a grade 7 in combined science or single science, as well as a 7 in maths. And we often ask you to do maths A-levels along well with the physics element. They work really well together, and the math skills really do help you with the physics. If you're after a career in engineering, then physics A-level is vital for you. In physics, you'll look in detail at waves, you will look at motions and forces, electricity, and also work and energy. Our most popular course, and the one that I'm most excited about talking to you about tonight, is our Btec Level 3 Applied Science course. I run that course, and we have over 100 students completing it at the moment in 6-1. Our grades are exceptional, with no student getting anything less than what they're targeted. In fact, most students come out with double distinctions or distinction stars based upon which course they're doing. Now, we offer a lot of different combinations. In order to do applied science, you'll need a grade 4 in combined science or above. You'll also need your 4 in English and maths. will do that course either as equivalent to an AS, which is known as a certificate. We do it as equivalent as a whole A level, known as an extended certificate. We do it as a 90 credit course, which is equivalent to an A level and a half, or we do it as an equivalent to 2 A levels, which is a diploma. Now, in the terms of UCAS points, the courses are of equal amounts grading as the A level. So your Btec distinction will be equivalent to the same amount of UCAS points as a grade A at A level. And lots of universities absolutely adore Btec subjects now because of the huge practical element in them. If you're after a career in nursing, midwifery, sports science, forensics, paramedics, then applied science really is for you. And universities love it a lot over A-level biology because it does show your skills. In Btec Applied Science, you'll be doing half the course, which is practical, and half the course, which is going to be your theory exam. So for example, if you were to come to Madeley and do it as a certificate, which is equivalent to 1 A-level after the 2 years, you'll spend the first 6 months preparing for an exam in January. And that exam is a mixture of biology, chemistry, and physics, all to the same standard as A-level, however, much more condensed. After the exam in January, you will get an opportunity to retake in the summer. So any of you who have struggled or wanted to improve on your grade, that opportunity is there for you. After your exam, you will then spend the rest of your time to the April-May time working in labs on practicals. You have to complete reports on key skills such as titrations, thin layer chromatography, and melting and boiling point analysis. You'll follow standard procedures, and then you'll do scientific write-ups explaining what you found, the results you found, and looking at evidence to support your conclusions. In the second year, you'll cover topics such as human regulation and reproduction, and that's vital if you wish to go on to nursing and midwifery. That's a coursework unit where you'll spend time in labs doing your theory and then doing independent work on the computers, typing up your reports. The second exam you will take is a practical exam where you'll sit in a lab and you will complete a 3-hour practical. Now, don't be worried about that. You'll get a lot of guidance and we'll practice loads of different exams in labs. But you'll do 3-hour practical, and after that practical, you'll then go into an exam hall and you'll do an exam on the practical that you study. Areas that we study are things like enzymes and diffusion and energy content in fuels, all of which you would have covered at GCSE, but these are stepped up. If you're interested in a career in midwifery or nursing, I highly recommend this course, and I would pair it along with subjects such as health and social care. A very popular combination is double applied science and double health and social care, which gets a lot of our students onto some very incredible courses in midwifery and nursing at universities. And our Solid Careers team will make sure that you're prepared for that and make sure to give you the right amount of work experience which is required to go along with those courses. We've also had students going on to do forensics, paramedical science, and also biomedical sciences as well at certain universities. If you have any questions about any of our A-level subjects or our Btec Applied Science course, I will happily answer them in the future for you.